It's time to learn TensorFlow and PyTorch, two main libraries for implementing deep learning models and training them. There are other libraries as well, but these are the giants. Especially PyTorch is now gaining over TensorFlow. I believe it is mainly due to Academy. In Academy, since PyTorch is basically in TensorFlow, there is more wrapping of functions, and it becomes very simple. Like especially with Keras, there is this entire training, everything is hidden away just in few functions. So in Academy, that is not encouraged. Instead, in Academy, they ask for implementing models in PyTorch. In PyTorch, these wrappings are not done. Instead, each and every step in training, or basically these things are not wrapped like in TensorFlow with Keras. And so Academy would like to their students to use PyTorch so that they will come to know like what are the steps involved. And I believe that's how this shift happened. Earlier, the TensorFlow was the most famous one, and now it reversed. Now PyTorch is the most famous. Most recent papers are implemented in PyTorch. So that's a trend. And but TensorFlow, because of its wide variety of support in like lots of computational edge devices, as well as a lot of features like optimization, like context training, etc. Because of all that benefits, it's really good to learn TensorFlow as well, and you need to know PyTorch. Both, it's better to learn both. And I believe there are very few, I don't know if there is any tutorial which covers both TensorFlow and PyTorch together in a deep learning course. So that's how we will be going. We will learn both. So if we are implementing step by step in both TensorFlow and PyTorch, we can learn both. We can come to know like it's almost same pattern, just that in TensorFlow it can be a lot easier, less number of steps. PyTorch, few more number of steps, but those steps can be again reused in other projects. You just need to know the pattern. So let's see.